the Crescent Mall. This restaurant is Fu Lou. We're gonna try the Chinese food here. Okay, come follow me. This restaurant, when we need to order, we just write down the dishes, how many dishes you want. You just write down here one. I order the fish, steamed fish, one. Here you can see the number one here. And then I order a few more dishes here. You have to write on the paper, and then you just give it to the waitress, and that's it. It's easy. What number is that?
Số mấy? Số 5101.
Okay, I order two. Okay. The dishes here is about, one dish is about 168k. Okay, this restaurant is opened by a Cantonese guy from Hong Kong. So this restaurant name is San Fu Lou in Chinese. Right? Okay. Okay, this is the fried rice.
Cơm chiên cá mặn này rất là ngon.
Okay, thank you. Okay, this one is the 𝗕𝗨𝗙𝗙𝗧. 𝗕𝗨𝗙𝗙𝗧, the chicken with the spicy sauce. Okay, come you all try. I cut for you. Three dishes, so three more dishes. Good. But the fish is very fresh, no smell. Good, delicious. Four dishes already. Two more dishes. Actually, you take the fish yourself. Okay, let me try the spinach. This is a spinach vegetable. That's a very good. Wow, good. Very good. They cook together with the ginger and the egg. Century egg. Very good. For this dish, spinach together with the white rice is very compatible. It's very good. Go with white rice, it's good. The sauce with the rice is very good. introduce you. This one is the eggplant, braised eggplant. They have the pork mince here, and they cook with the salted fish. So let me try this first. Okay, for this dish is the pork rib mixed vegetable. They cook with the sweet and sour sauce. Okay, let me try the sauce. It's sweet and sour. In Singapore, they call 𝗕𝗨𝗙𝗙𝗧. Singapore, they call 𝗕𝗨𝗙𝗙𝗧. Yeah, good. Sweet and sour, good. Very good. Let me try. Good. The taste same like the Hong Kong style. Very soft. Yeah, eggplant sini. Try eggplant sini. The dishes all here are very delicious, but I like the best is the fish steamed 𝗕𝗨𝗙𝗙𝗧. The best I like the most. Okay. Okay, em ơi. The dishes here are very delicious and the price is reasonable. It's not too expensive. You just have a meal like this. It costs about 1.3 million. Alright? Good. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.